You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to solve the problem that is displayed at the left hand side of the screen. And the question says that figure 1 shows two views of a block in first angle projection, right? And sketch approximately full size the block in isometric, making point P the lowest point, right? So first of all, we're told it's in first angle projection, making that this is our front elevation and this is our what? Our end view, right? So since the second point is it is an isometric projection, and the third point here is said we should sketch, meaning we're using our freehand sketching, freehand sketch to draw. We're only using our pencil, no instrument, just the pencil. So what you do is, since it says isometric projection, you should just draw your vertical line this way, this way. You can start with faint line, then you take this way, and you take this way. Can you see that? Now once you've done that, then we're not told that P is the lowest point, so that means this point you see here must be at this point here, P. Another point you should look at is that the thickness here, 10 millimeter, is thick 10 millimeter here, is also thick 10 millimeter here. So meaning that around the entire figure, it is 10 millimeter thick. So just draw this around the entire figure. Can you see that? So that's the thickness there. Then the next one is we have two figure here, and the end view is telling us the end view means looking from here. So this point, so let's say here is N, it means here is N, straight down to this point here, right? So let's say straight to this point here is P, so here is P, so NP that we have here. So that means this end here now is telling us that this figure here is starting from the end, but at the center. So from this side is at the center, towards at the center. That is, do you understand me? From this side, looking at it from this side, which is this side, means that these two figures are at the center. Then from this side, it's telling us that it's at the center. So the center here means that we have, let's say we have two lines this way. The first one, the second one, and the third one, right? But this guy is telling me that it is not to the end, it's stopping here. If you're looking at it from here, it means that it's stopping somewhere around here. So meaning that I'm going to clean here off. So let me clean that off so to no cause confusion. Can you see that? Now it's not telling me that the back one, if you're looking at it from here, you see this one first, which is, let's say this is A, right? And this is still the same A here. Then the back one is B, here is B. So it means the back one is taller. So let me make this one taller like this way. Then let me bring it in. Sorry. Can you see that? I'm just using my faint line first so that I have a direction. That is the back one, which is our B. Right, looking from this side, see it's a rectangular figure B. Then the other part here, which is A, is towards the center here. Can you see that? And coming down. Now what's not telling us? It's telling us from here now, from the center here, which is this point here, the first one A is just sliding down straight this way, connecting to this side, to this side, then going back. Then the B is still there. And this is connecting here. Sorry. So you're just taking all this one out. So this is the sketch that they want you to sketch. So if you are finding the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share. So you're just taking all this side out. This is what the freehand sketch is telling us to look at. So we're looking at it from the side. So you see this point here, saying this is A, this is B. Inclined line is seen as a straight line, but it's smaller than this is what we have here. This is still the A here, and this is still the B here. So if you're looking at it from here, you see A and you see B. And if you're looking at it from here, you see A and you see B, right? So this is what we have. This is the isometric projection that we have here. Thanks for watching.